Hello. Today, we'll show how contact center technology helps members create their online accounts quickly and easily.
Reynald calls needing help. Lester will guide him using the agent desktop.
Hello, thank you for calling health insurance. I'm Lester. How can I help you today?
I don't have an online account yet.
Can I have your full name and member ID, please?
It's Reynald Santos, ID 2025-10482.
Go to our website and click Create Account. I'll guide you step by step.
Enter your member ID, email, and a secure password. Let me know when done.
Done. My account is created.
Perfect. Your account is ready. You can now access your benefits and digital ID card.
You may get a short survey. Your feedback helps us improve our service.
Good job. Survey results help us measure member satisfaction.
Workforce management ensured enough agents were available, keeping wait times short.
We follow compliance rules. AI helps agents provide accurate, secure guidance.
Using Agent Desktop, reporting, workforce management, compliance, and AI, contact centers make service faster, easier, and more helpful.
AI suggestions help me guide Reynald clearly and safely.